What is fillet command? How does it work? And what is chamfer command? And finally we will see what is the difference between these two commands. First, draw an object box. I am going to draw an object. Five. Enter. And this is an object of 5 cross 5. Now go to the tools, customize, in toolbar, in command. This is blend. Here is chamfer command and fillet command. You can see it here also. And this command only works on edges and vertices of an object. Select an edge. Now you can see that these two commands become active. First I am using the fillet command. In fillet command we will define two things. One is radius and second is setback distance. We will see by example what is difference between them. 0.1 millimeter. Press OK. You can see that this edge become fillet. Now if I want to fillet all the edges, I will click from here. All the edges of an object has been selected. Now fillet command, I can change the radius from 0.1 to 0.5 and also I can change the distance. Basically fillet command does the rounded shape, but in a chamfer command the shape is like in a slope. Setback distance 0.1. Press OK. You will see this is an object become fillet. Now you can see that the fillet portion of edges become rounded shape. This is in a rounded shape, but when will we use chamfer command, there will be a slope, in a downward slope. Similarly, let we draw in another object. Also 5 cross 5. And height is also 5. Press enter. and in view set all in active view. Here you can see that. Now I am going to use chamfer command on this object on box 2. First select the edges. I am selecting all the edges of an object. Now here it is in a chamfer command. How much distance I want to chamfer? 0.5. But here you can see that no setback distance is needed because chamfer is always do in a slope form. Okay. Here from Google we can also see here you can see the difference between chamfer and fillet is fillet makes a rounded corner shape, but chamfer make a sloped or angled corner shape. Now look at these two diagrams. Here you can see that this object is fillet, the box 1. Their corners are in rounded shape. But box 2 we use a chamfer command which is in the form of slope.